Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the screen of my phone. And this is no longer the screen of my phone, this is Kemi of Self Hustle. So welcome back guys. On this channel we review websites and how you can make money online, and we use a lot of websites to check the legitimacy of other websites that will enable you to make money online or that claim that you can make money online. So guys, but before I go far, if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? If you have not liked this video, please hit the like button under this video and like this video and comment the country you are watching us from so that we'll know what to put out as regards your country. So guys, in this video today I'll be talking about some profitable skills that you can learn, and those profitable skills can really fetch you tons of dollars, and I'll be sharing with you guys websites that you can go and monetize those profitable skills. Now for instance, I'll be listing like 5 profitable skills that you can work with or that you can learn, and I'll be listing the website that you use to learn it for free, and as well I'll be using the platform that you can go and put your skill up and start making money online. So guys, the first skill we'll be talking about is copywriting, email copywriting. This is just simply you writing like an article or like a sales triggering post for companies and a lot of marketers and a lot of organizations to help them improve their sales. You get, to help them improve their sales. You can go on Chrome, type in copywriting, you see a lot of free courses on it. You understand? You can start from there. You can watch a lot of videos about copywriting on YouTube. There are a lot of videos about copywriting on YouTube, and there are people on websites like Fiverr and Upwork that are making up to like $40,000 from this particular skill. Some not up to that, but most of them are making a lot of money from this particular skill. So now the next one we'll be talking about is affiliate marketing. Well, people have overhyped affiliate marketing, but here is the thing. Affiliate marketing will pay you more if you are doing affiliate marketing in dollars. You can sign up on sites like DigiStem to make money with affiliate marketing. What you basically do on affiliate marketing, promote other people's products on affiliate marketing, and you get paid a commission for promoting their products. Now, do not get me wrong. Sometimes the commission might be 50%, some 70%, some 40%, some 30%, depending on what the owner of product is willing to give out. You understand? But we have websites like JVZoo, Amazon, where you can do affiliate marketing. We have a lot of websites. You can do Expertnia if you are in Nigeria, if you are in Ghana, if you are in African country, you can sign up on Expertnia. If you need a link to sign up on Expertnia, please just drop it in the description box. Say I need an Expertnia link, so I'll send you the link where you sign up on Expertnia. You understand? And you start promoting their courses. You get, for affiliate marketing as well, you can as well sign up on DigiStem. On DigiStem you get paid in dollars, not naira, and DigiStem accepts everybody from all over the world. That is all about affiliate marketing. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, there are a lot of free courses about affiliate marketing. You can type digitaldivinend.com. They have free courses about affiliate marketing. Now, the oil money. The reason why I refer to it as oil money is because it looks like money that is infinity. It will get to a stage where you don't have to do anything, but your money keeps coming in. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. That stage you will have worked behind the scene, and then at a point your money will just be flowing in. Even if you don't do anything for a week, for a month, for 2 months, you still be receiving your payment. That is what I call here is what I call YouTube. Now the third skill to learn is YouTube automation skill. That's YouTube automation skill. I will just simply say YouTube because all you need to do is start creating content, or let's just say number 3 is content creation. Content creation, that is all you need to do in number 3. You look for a phone, whether it's a good phone or a phone that is just manageable, because we also have faceless YouTube channels now where the phone doesn't have to be very good, but you can still record without showing your face. You understand? So on that, I think I'll be doing digital gadget Wednesdays or gadget Fridays, where I'll be showing or reviewing gadgets that you can use to record your videos, you can use to do a lot of things that will help to improve your content creation life. This is basically gadget Wednesday or gadget Friday. I have not decided, but I'll be going out of my way to look for cheap phones that will help you to create content that are so wonderful and superb and are very, very affordable. So you can start making money on YouTube. A lot of people are making thousands of dollars on YouTube. Some will just upload videos and maybe like after uploading consecutively, because you need to be consistent to make money online. Now YouTube, aside from the ads they put on your this thing, you can also get brand deals and other jobs on YouTube that will help you to make money on YouTube. So YouTube is just like another skill that you can learn. Some people do not believe that YouTube is actually a skill, but it takes years of hard work to master YouTube. And what do you master online? It is a skill. So for you to come and share your experience is you teaching somebody the skill that you have learned, and that is also YouTube, which you can make money on it. You can also make money on Facebook as a content creator. So now the next thing we'll be looking at here is a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant basically means you organizing events or organizing things for someone you're working with. Working as someone you helping somebody in their daily jobs, maybe like scheduling an appointment, posting for them on their social media handle, writing posts and all of that for them. You understand? That is what a virtual assistant does. And a lot of big brands are looking for a virtual assistant because they cannot handle the posting on WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, YouTube, Instagram. They cannot handle it all by themselves. So they are looking for virtual assistant. Virtual assistant is that type of job that you can even do at home. Just go to Upwork. Go to Upwork. There are a lot of offers for virtual assistant. Even if they are not paying much, you can start from there. Some are even looking for entry level. So even if they are not paying much, you can start from there. And you can go on Digital Define ND to take a course about virtual assistant that you do not need to pay for. The course is actually free. Then the last but not the least is video editing. Now this is one of the things that I do on Upwork. Video editing. You send me your video, I edit it. Some will even require me to edit your videos to shorts. Video editing is just an act of you to master how to operate some video editing apps. And when you are good with them, well, I will advise you start with CapCut. CapCut is really easy to start with and it is free. Just start creating. You can even start creating silly videos. You can record your mobile phone. You can even record this handkerchief. Record this fan. Record anything that you want to do. Record this fan. Start a transition video and you see brands reaching out to you. Or record something maybe like this handkerchief. Now I can squeeze it like this, and while recording it I will bring it out like this. Do you understand? So you can reach out to brands. Just tell them that, hey, I really think you can do well with a video editor on your page. I feel your videos need more of, touching, like transitioning. Please check out a few of my videos and see if you can try me out. My charges are relatively cheap, not so expensive, but as well I offer value for what I charge. It's as simple as that, and you will see brands. If you are able to create video content like this, you understand, maybe something you just clap your hand and that item will disappear, or your just snap anything you have around you, then play around it on CapCut, put transition, remove background, do blurry background, everything on CapCut. You understand? I think I'll be coming up with a video editing course on CapCut. It won't be very expensive, don't mind me. It won't be expensive, it will be affordable. You understand? And as well, you can chat me up if you have a YouTube channel and you want me to help you or teach you how to edit in CapCut, or you want me to help you edit some of your videos or change some of your videos to short for you. I do all of that. Now, video editing is highly profitable. You can make as much as you want on video editing depending on how good you get. And most of this editing, you can even do it on CapCut. I said it's CapCut. The only thing is you need other apps, to package it and back it up. But then again, CapCut is good to go. So guys, these are the skills that you need to learn. These are the skills that you can choose. You cannot learn everything at once. Do not get me wrong. You can just choose a simple one. Just choose one and learn it for like 3 to 4 months, master it, and then put out a few samples of your work. You can do a few samples for free, put it out, and then boom, you get reviews and all of that. And then you can open an Instagram account or even go on Upwork, build a profile and start making money. You can as well use Fiverr, build a profile and start making money. So guys, with all this, if you have not subscribed to the channel, you're missing out. If you have not joined our Telegram channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the link in the description box, join the Telegram channel, and I will see you on the other side. And if you have not thought of a skill, or if you are not developing the interest in learning a skill, I will tell you that you are not ready to make money. Because of all these skills that I've mentioned, by now you should have picked one that you want to learn. So pick one that you want to learn. Let me know why that skill interests you in the comment section, and I will be there to reply you guys. I love you. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.